Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create digital stickers to sell on Etsy using Canva in the 2026 setup. Start by opening Canva and creating a custom canvas. Usually, 3000 by 3000 pixels works great. Then design your stickers using shapes, graphics, drawings, or text. Make each sticker its own element and add a nice white border using the shadow effect so it looks like a real sticker. Make sure your background is transparent before exporting. Then download each sticker as a PNG with transparent background turned on. If you have lots of stickers, duplicate pages and export one at a time. Organize all your PNGs inside a zip folder so your Etsy customer can download everything easily. Use Canva again to make clean listing thumbnails or mock-ups showing the stickers on planners or digital notebooks. Then upload your preview images and your zip file to Etsy and create your listing with tags and a short, clear description. And that's it. That's how you create digital stickers in Canva and sell them on Etsy for 2026.